Let's learn about hardware and software. Hardware is everything that's inside our computer. Let's see what the doctor says. Hello, doctor. The hardware is in the CPU. The hard drive, the CD-ROM, and everything is a hardware. The printer and everything inside the printer is hardware. And the software is everything we see on our screen and use. Like all the apps. Microsoft Word, animation software, and all kinds of apps are all software that we see on the screens.